homemakers, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 20 different ways that you can use flour sack towels. There are so many benefits for the flour sack towel. They're made from 100% pure cotton. They will quickly absorb liquids. They usually come pre-washed and pre-shrunk. They're lint-free, which is why they're so versatile, and they're made for longevity. These will last you a long time. Now, I will say, not all flour sack towels are created equal. I used to get mine from Target, but they stopped selling them. So I checked out Walmart's and I wasn't really impressed with the quality. Now I get mine from Amazon and they're a couple bucks more, but I think they're well worth it. If you're interested, I'll link mine down below in the description box. Okay, let's get started. These are just a few ways that I've found that you can use these towels. I've broken them up into categories, so let's get started in the kitchen. Number 1, drying your dishes and your silverware. This is one of the most popular uses for a flour sack towel. Number 2, keeping food warm. These towels will keep condensation from forming while also keeping the heat in. Number 3, wrap lettuce in a towel and put it in your crisper drawer and it'll keep it fresh and prevent it from getting brown. Number 4, line your refrigerator crisper drawer with these towels for an easy cleanup. Number 5, you can use it like a cheesecloth or a strainer. These are great for people who like to make Greek yogurts or preservatives. Number 6, line a bread basket. It looks pretty and it also keeps your bread warm. Number 7, place it on the dining room table as a reusable napkin. Number 8, place a towel under your cutting board to help keep it in place. You can dampen the towel and it'll give it some grip so it'll stay put. Before we move on to number 9, let me know in the comments below, have you ever heard of a flour sack towel before? If so, what is your favorite way to use one? For me, I'd never heard of one until a few years ago. I read about them on a blog and I fell in love, and now we use them all over the house. Let me know what's your favorite way down below. Okay, moving on to other areas of the house. Number 9, use them to replace your paper towels. You can keep a basket like this on the counter, and anytime you would reach for a paper towel, you can now grab a flour sack towel. Number 10, store breakable dishes with towels in between them. This will help to prevent chips, scratches, or clanging of your dishes. Number 11, you can use it as a hair towel. Yes, a hair towel. It will absorb the water really quickly, and it won't cause your hair to get extra frizzy like a terry cloth towel will. Number 12, wrap an ice pack in one. They're thinner than dish towels, so you'll be able to feel the coldness on your skin, but you can also tolerate it. It won't be too cold, and it'll absorb any drips when it starts to melt. When your towel gets stained and worn out, it's time to use it as a cleaning cloth. You can just snip the corner, and that will help you identify it as a rag. So now let's move on to using them as cleaning cloths. Number 13, wipe down countertops in your kitchen and bathroom. Number 14, they're great for dusting because they won't leave any lint behind. Number 15, they're also good for cleaning windows because they're lint-free. Number 16, you can wipe down the dashboard, windshield, or the interior of your car with them. Number 17, also use it as a stain remover because it will quickly absorb any of your stains and it doesn't have any dyes in them. Soak the stain in a 3-to-1 water vinegar solution. Lay the flour sack towel on top of it and use an iron on top of the towel to lift out the stain. Other great ways that you can use them are for gifts. So in number 18, you can use it to replace actual gift wrap and use it to wrap a special gift. Number 19, you can use it as a tote bag or you can even make them into bread bags. And number 20, you can use fabric paint and stamp on them with a fun design and give them out for birthdays and holidays. If you enjoyed this homemaking video, then don't forget to hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to talk about my zone cleaning schedule. If you're interested in getting all of your cleaning done without being a slave to your house, then don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss it. In the meantime, while you wait for that video, don't forget to check out these 2 videos right here. I talk a lot about homemaking, cleaning, organizing, and life in general, so make sure to check out these as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.